Crescencio Sosa was the first that we really attempted to nominate, and everybody had great respect for Crescencio Sosa, who worked extensively for government, for both governments. Unfortunately, just before he was to start his work, he got sick, and so is his wife. So as a family, they said that it's best that he does not take up the position, because for those that know Crescencio Sosa, once he takes on something, he goes all out, and obviously because of his condition, he would not be able to do that. Once that happened, then we have been looking and trying to find somebody that would meet the criteria, that will be able to do a good job, to be able to get rid of all the backlog within the Public Service Commission. Last week, after discussing many names were coming up. A lot of them we felt that they were just too close to the PUP, although they would have been competent, and we could have named them, but we just felt it's best take your time and put somebody good, as opposed to just say, okay, make a hurry, put somebody just because. And so yesterday, last week, I interviewed Diana Murillo Price, who has been a public officer for over 40 years, and she's about to retire probably in the next 2-3 weeks from now. And she has said that she would be honored to take on that position. So if the leader of the position has not been written to, he will be written between today and tomorrow of the name. But the Public Service Commission also, or the president, need to understand what is his role. If he wants to make those name them, then he needs to get elected and become a leader of a party and then become the prime minister. They can make recommendations, and if he would only be a little bit more respectful, I think he could get a lot more done.
What about the people that he represents, though? The public officers, a lot of them of who are going to retire or soon to be, and they are on the waiting list.
No, I agree. No, trust me, I understand on the issue of trying to address that matter. We have a number of public officers that have retired, that they need their money, and so we want to get it done as soon as Ms. Murillo takes over that position. Trust me, we'll ensure that we can get that done as quickly as we possibly can. But we want to make sure that we find the right person.